Ah, ah, ఏపీ ఆగస్టు 2007 ఏపీ ఆగస్టు 2007 7 minutes 80 words per minute. Now write down. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure to inaugurate the newly constructed railway station building and the platform for the benefit of the people living on the east side of this city. In fact, this is one of the long pending demands of the people of this city, which is fulfilled now. I am very happy to come to this city because over a decade ago I had stayed in this city for about 2 or 3 years to get coaching for any higher education, as this city has been well known for good coaching centers to enable aspiring students join professional colleges of their choice. I am glad that educational institutions, however, continue to maintain the same lead even today. All over the country, people belonging the different sections of the society have been making demands requesting for new railway lines, providing stops for some of the trains, amenities to passengers, etc. I think you will agree with me that although there are a large number of demands from passengers which merit favorable consideration because they are genuine, finding the necessary resources to make them a reality has become a difficult task. As you are aware, Indian Railways is the lifeline of moving people and the goods all over the country. It is one of the world's largest network. Notwithstanding the fact that it is largely spread, connecting people in different parts of the country and moving raw materials and finished goods from places of production to places of consumption, railways suffer problems like shortage of wagons, increasing costs of fuel, wage bill, etc. That is the reason why it takes a long time to make promises turn into a reality. As far as the new facilities that have come up at this station are concerned, the whole credit goes to the Honorable Member of Parliament representing this city. She made constant efforts to get all these benefits to the people of this city. You may be aware of the fact that the approach roads to the newly built railway station on the other side were built with financial assistance provided from the local area development fund. On this occasion, I congratulate her for making tireless efforts to realize this goal. On this occasion, I would like to state that the central government, under the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, is very much interested to provide link between people living in backward and underdeveloped areas where there is no railway line at all. For instance, the government have cleared the long pending proposal of the people to provide a rail link connecting the shipping port in this city with the neighboring district headquarters. Because of this, iron or coal and other raw materials can be transported up to the port in this city for exporting to other countries with lesser cost of transportation. In addition, people of the backward region who never heard the whistle of the train engine will be able to enjoy the travel by train hereafter. I am glad to announce that your city will soon have direct train starting from here to the state capital. I am also happy to announce that the frequency of the local train from here to Chennai will be increased to 3 times a day. Finally, I convey my best wishes to all and declare open the new facilities